Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reset your chess.com password on chess.com. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. Make sure you're on the official website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in before you can access account settings. Once you're on the homepage, look at the bottom left corner and click on the Settings gear icon. Inside the menu, select Settings again. This will take you into the main settings, where all your account preferences are managed. Next, select the Account section, which may also appear as Account and Security depending on updates. Inside this section, you'll find the password settings where you can reset your current password. Now, enter your current password and the new password in the New Password field. After that, re-enter the same password in the Confirm field to make sure there are no typing mistakes. Once both passwords match, click Save. Chess.com will process the update and may ask you to sign in again using your new password. So that's basically how you can reset your chess.com password on chess.com. That's it for this video. Thanks.